how to activate Windows 10. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are more ideas. So let's go, and I am here on my desktop. So what we need to do to access the activation settings is go here on the Windows icon, right click and find for the option called System. And another thing that you can do to activate or to access activation settings is to search for it. So search here on the search bar, activation settings, and after searching you will see it. Once you see it, click on it or tap enter to access it or to open it, and you will be directed to a window just like this one where you can see the edition of your Windows, and also you can see it here that the Windows of mine is activated. And of course, if you are not activated yet, it will show here that yours is not activated yet and you can activate it. So let us go here and change product key, and then here you can see a window just like this one, and it tells you to enter a product key. So you can see the product key where if you have bought your PC online or from the PC that you have bought it, you can see the product key, or you can find more options in the internet on how to find your product key. So once you are done, just go and click on next, and once you have clicked on next, you will be prompted with a message that your Windows is updating, and make sure that you're connected to the internet and make sure that you are updated. So thank you for watching.